2nd of June 2022.
Asuntoskeittiö Eporauta.
And we have Kylätorintie, Betoisvägen, 4 stegi here. Espoon keskus, Espoo centrum. Espoo, Helsinki, Espoo, Sweden, modernized Finland. And actually this elevator was built in 1986, late 1986, finished in 1987. The staircases A, B, and C were built in early 1987 here. And the number is 64500. It's 4979899 in A, B, and C here. Very interesting. When we found the terms for the year 1986, 97 here.
Yeah.
And it's going to be inspected in 2024, and it's 35 years old in last year, 2021. The warning sign is vision finish here also. It's those two lights. It has 5 floors, but 6 in the Texas APNC.
Is tippaa Lift Institute and maintained by Espoon. I'm gonna check the second floor. That's